Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at some tempered glass from Mr.Shield for the LG V40. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have a tempered glass for your V40 from Mr.Shield. I picked this up for, I think, for under $10, and you get a 3-pack. So I'm going to do the installation and I'm going to see exactly how it is, but let's definitely check it out because I am a fan of their screen protectors or tempered glass, so let's see what happens. So I've been noticing a trend with these is that I'm starting to notice a lot of halo effect on the side, which is basically it's like an air gap. But as you guys can see, everything looks fine in the middle. On the side it's a little bit wet or it has an air gap, but pretty much it definitely looks good. It's better than the one that they put on the Note 9 because it's not as curved, but definitely looks good in my eyes, especially when you have a 3-pack. So I think it really all depends on how far right or how far left you put it, because if I put it more far left, then it will have the air gap over here more, but if I put it far right, then it has it on there more. So it depends on getting it absolutely perfect. So you do have that little air gap there. Maybe I could push it out with the card, or maybe it'll fade away after a day, but I could definitely recommend this for right now. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks better than a lot of the ones that I've been using lately. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Super Shield products, Mr.Shield, Super Shield products, and LG V40. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.